Moving home is a painful experience. According to Which magazine, it's the second most stressful thing you'll ever do. On average, we each move home 11 times during the course of our lives, with 4.5 million moves taking place in the UK alone every year. For most people, this is a major headache. At the point of moving, there are dozens of suppliers that need to be notified, all asking you for the same information and payment details again and again. We're here to change that, and having processed over 40,000 moves in the last year alone, we're just getting started. Whether you're renting, buying, or selling, our home move platform removes the stress and hassle of moving into a property by arranging essential services, including council tax, insurance, and broadband. As somebody settles into their property, there are lots of additional services we'll begin to introduce too.
We partner with hundreds of companies, including fintechs, corporates, estate agents, and other property-related businesses, helping their customers and employees set up their new homes. Our platform plugs seamlessly into any third-party system, making it easy to share and manage data securely. Our partners include the likes of Hamptons, Yorkies, and Openrent, the largest letting agency in the UK. There are three main ways we generate revenue. Just like a comparison site, suppliers pay us when a customer takes one of our recommendations, customers pay us for upgrading their accounts, and partners pay us for B2B services. We've also built relationships with hundreds of suppliers across the UK, including big names like Sky, Octopus Energy, and Pickfords.
To date, we've raised over £4 million from some incredible investors. In the last 12 months, we have processed over 40,000 moves and serviced over 11,000 customers who have elected to use our service, and generated over £800,000 in revenue. And also, we're rated excellent on Trustpilot, with 4.8 stars from over 1,200 reviews.
We invested in Just Move In earlier this year. We are particularly excited by the vision that was painted by Ross and Tom. They've been fabulous communicators since we came on board, have been able to deal with all of the prevailing market conditions, and are really doubling down and accelerating on their growth. In particular, as a B Corp, their purpose and their values really align with ours, and we're delighted to be supporting them on the next stage of their journey.
Since 2018, we've been a certified B Corporation. For us, that's always been the best framework to run our business around. It continually challenges us to make better decisions. We have assembled a team of passionate people with expertise across technology, operations, and finance. We have recently announced our new chairman, John Browett, who was formerly CEO of Dixons, Tesco.com, and Dunelm.
Having got to know them this year, I jumped at the opportunity to join Tom, Ross, and the team. The opportunity we have to help customers make better decisions as they move home and beyond is huge.
We spent the last 18 months enhancing our user journey with an integrated set of digital services. And with your investment, we'll enrich our technology stack with personalization backed by machine learning and open banking, making it even easier for our customers to just move in.
Our mission is to help the world live better, one home at a time, and become the default way that people think about moving home in the UK. From your first rental through to your retirement home and everything in between, we'll be there every step of the way. This is an exciting time for Just Move In, and we can't wait to have you on board.